Hello. My name is Izzat Illmani. I'm in Suhaimi, and today I will be presenting to you the functions and the configurations of my chosen telecommunication software that is able to support the healthcare industry, which is Zoom. On today's agenda, I will be explaining to you about the system requirements, the supported operating systems, the supported browsers, as well as the hardware requirements so that you are able to have the best user experience while using Zoom. To start things off, I will be explaining to you about the system requirements. Zoom requires the following system requirements: an internet connection, either broadband wired or wireless, preferably 3G or 4G LTE, speakers and a microphone, either built-in, USB plug-in or wireless Bluetooth is fine as well, a webcam or HD webcam, either built-in USB plug-in or a HD cam or HD camcorder with a video capture card. Next, the supported operating systems. Below are among the operating systems that are supported by Zoom. Among them are Mac OS 10 with Mac OS version 10.9 or later, Windows 10, Windows 8 or 8.1, Windows 7, Ubuntu version 12.04 or higher, and lastly Arch Linux, but only the 64-bit version. Aside from that, the supported browsers. Below are among the web browsers that are supported by Zoom. On the Windows platform, Internet Explorer 11, Edge, Firefox and Chrome. On the Mac OS platform, Safari, Firefox and Chrome, and on the Linux platform, Firefox and Chrome. Last but not least is the hardware requirements. Below is the list of hardware requirements that are needed to operate Zoom. As you can see in the table below, it shows you the minimum as well as the recommended specifications and or requirements that are needed to operate Zoom. In regards to the processor, for the minimum version, only a single core 1 GHz or higher is needed. On the recommended side, dual core 2 GHz or higher, as well as Intel i3, i5 or i7 or any other AMD equivalent. For the RAM, any amount of RAM is able to operate Zoom at a minimum level, but it is recommended that you at the very least have a 4 GB amount of RAM to fully utilize the capabilities of Zoom. And with this, I would like to end my presentation here, and I thank you all for listening and have a very good day. Goodbye. Continuing on from the previous section, I will now be showing you how you are able to install and set up your Zoom account to use the Zoom application. To start things off, to even use the Zoom application, we must first set up our account. To set up our account, simply type in Zoom in the search box of your preferred search engine and click enter. Once you have done that, please click on the first link that appears. This is the official homepage for Zoom. In the homepage, please click on the Sign Up It's Free button to sign yourself up with Zoom. Zoom will then ask you for your date of birth so that it can verify that you are of legal age to use their application. Simply enter in your birthday to continue. Next, you will need to register your email address. This email address will be the address that you will use for your Zoom account, and click Sign Up. After that, Zoom will then send you an activation email to activate your account. Go to the email address that you had given them, and in there you will see the activation email. Click on that email and click on Activate Account to activate your account. You will then be asked to set up the details of your account such as name, last name, password, etc. Once you have done that, click on the I am not a robot CAPTCHA and click on Continue. Zoom will now ask you to enter in the email of any of your friends or colleagues to invite them to chat with you. If you don't want to send it now, you can always send it later. In this example, I will choose to send it later and will click on Skip this step. Once you have done that, you have successfully finished setting up your Zoom account. Next is to download the Zoom application. To download the Zoom application, simply type in Download Zoom in your preferred search engine and click Enter. Please click on the first link that appears. Once you are in this page, please click on the download button under Zoom Client for Meetings. For this example, I will be downloading the 32-bit version of Zoom. Once you have done that, the .exe application of Zoom will begin to download. Once it has finished downloading, double-click on it to run the application and you will be greeted with another screen. Click on Run. The Zoom installer will now begin its installation. After that is done, you will now be greeted with this screen. Simply click on Sign In. Here, please enter in the email address and password that we have previously set up for our Zoom account and click on Sign In. Once you have done that, congratulations! You have successfully downloaded, installed, and set up your Zoom account for all your everyday needs. And with that, I would like to end this presentation here, and I thank you, and I wish you a very good day. Goodbye. Hello. My name is Izzat, Illmani, Suhaimi, and right now I will be showing you how to use the Zoom application so that you may contact your friends or colleagues at any time and at anywhere. Okay? To first start a chat with your colleagues or friend, please click on the chat icon. Once you have clicked on the chat icon, this is the interface that you will see so that you are able to chat with your friends. If you have more than one friend, simply click on their name and the chat box will appear. At the chat box, you can type in a message for them, for example, a hello, and they are able to send back a message to you as well. To have a live video chat with your friend, simply click on the Meet with Video button at the top right corner of the screen. Here, please click on Join with Computer Audio. As you can see here, I have already called my friend. Hello, Amin. Can you hear?
Hello.
As you can see here, the call has been successfully connected and now you are able to chat with your friends and colleagues. That's all for now and I would like to end my presentation here. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye bye.